Well, got my new power steering line in, under pressure. I ain't got no leaks. Up there. Got the stuck over in there like it's supposed to go. Alright. Steering wheel steers a whole lot. Steering is a whole lot better now. I think someone had automatic transmission fluid in it. It steers a whole lot better. It just turns right on around now. Daddy comes home, we're going I gotta start scuffing it down and stuff. Yeah. There she is. Like I said, the steering works a whole lot better now. I gotta get another horn for it though. I don't like that horn. Maybe I'm gonna think about see if I can get her painted in about maybe 2 weeks. Maybe I'll have her painted. Start getting the moldings put back on. But yep, I got that power steering line on. Yeah, I was driving around the church parking lot with the turn, and all I heard was. And then I heard fluid hit everything, and I knew what it was. So I just run it back up in the house, run it back over here to put it on the. Took the line off and put it on the air compressor, and you can see it's dry rotted really bad. So yeah, there's that. But I reckon I'll talk to y'all later. Maybe I'll get her painted sometime soon. But talk to you later. Bye.